Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial and it's a new week. Let me say happy new week to you all. Today is another Monday and how was your weekend? I hope it was fun filled and guys, you are prepared for this week fully. All right, so what are you doing to take your business into the next level? What campaign, what advert are you running this week? Whatever you are planning to do, make sure you achieve that this week. All right, so today I'm going to be taking you guys on how you can convert your audio into text. All right, as you can see on my screen, converting audio into text using one simple application that I've been using. I came across this application not quite long, and it's an interesting application for me because these days I found myself using Quora.com very well, and most time when I ask to answer questions, all I have to do is record my voice note on it, then come here and paste whatever the application transcribe my audio to. All right, as you can see, most time when I have requests to answer here, as you can see now I have 3 requests, people asking me to answer their question. All right, so that is the reason why I brought us this tutorial to show you how you can easily maybe record your voice notes, record a voice and transcribe it into text instead of you just typing. All right, so today the application we're going to be making use of is called Otter, and the link to download this application will be the first in the description below. So if you really want to download this application, then you should click the link in the description. As you can see here, I have a lot of audio that I've converted into text, and most time, as you can see, it's always saying notes is ready, because that is what I use the most. All right, so I'm just going to click on one. This I made this first one here 27 minutes ago, and let's see. As you can see, yeah, I've made the correction and I've sent it to who I wanted to send it to. As you can see, I make the record of I think it's around 2 minutes or so, and it's all about campaign and advert, as you can see. And what I love about this is it's going to give you the keywords of whatever you've recorded. It's going to give you the keyword. Okay, here it is. I made a record of 2 minutes 30 seconds, and these are the keywords from what I say. And it was a question someone asked me on Quora. All right, so let's take a brief look about this application and how you can use it. Now the first thing here is the basic plan, which is free, and this Otter is going to give you 600 minutes for you to use, and for the free plan. And there's always a pro plan. Maybe you want to go for the pro plan. The pro plan has more features, as you can see here. Need more feature, this 6,000 recording minutes per month, and import audio and video files for transcription, add up to 200 custom vocabulary. Then if you really want to do that, then you can click on the get Otter Pro, and as you can see here, we have unlimited import while using minutes, 6,000 minutes of transcription per month, and many more. So if you are going for the pro version, it's going to cost you 5,620 per month. All right, so let's calculate how much that is going to be in the US dollar. I think the US dollar is around 570 now. So 570 divided by 5,020, that's going to 5,020 divided by 570. All right, so that's around $9. So that is going to cost you $9 per month. And let's see, 36,000, that's going to cost you $64 yearly. So if you are using Otter Pro, so you are going to be paying $9 monthly, and it's going to cost you 68 or $69 yearly. All right, so if you really want to go for the pro version, then that is good for you. And but for this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of the free plan, which is the basic one. And yeah, so as you can see, you run better meetings, you get reminders from this application, and here you can always see, maybe you want to you want to add a meeting, a reminder on this application, you can use it. But then for you to use this application, your data must be up and running. All right, so I don't need this. Next. All right, so I'm just going to go back to my conversation. Then you can see all of this stuff that I've done with this application. So without further ado, if today is your first time coming to this channel, coming across my channel, my name is Ailaro Emmanuel, and this is the face behind the voice you've been hearing. All right, so my name is Ailaro Emmanuel, and I'm an online entrepreneur. And what I do basically on this channel is bring you tips and tricks about smartphone, about online stuff, and on Quora I answered a lot of questions pertaining to affiliate marketing, digital marketing campaigns and the like. So what you're going to do for me is scroll down to that red button, subscribe button, and hit on it. And also, you after watching this video, if you find it very valuable, then you should click on the like button. And also, if you have any question for me, or there's any kind of video you want me to create for you, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to answer them, and I'm going to create the video for you. All right, so with that being said, let's get into the real video. All right, so welcome back. Now, how do you convert your audio into text? Now, two ways you can do that. The first way is you record. All right, now once I click on this record stuff, it's going to stop recording my voice, and everything I'm going to be saying will be displayed on the screen. All right, so let's give it a try. I forgot to do that. That was why the first one I did, that's why I canceled it. All right, so let's try it and see how it's going to transcribe my voice immediately. All right, so let's do it. All right, so I've made my voice record, so let's see what is there. As you can see here, so let me remove my earpiece so you can hear whatever I say and see if this is basically what it is. All right. All right, as you can see on the screen here, if this is your first time coming across my channel, my own name is Ailaro Emmanuel, and I'm a digital entrepreneur. And basically on this channel, what I do is bring you tips and tricks about affiliate marketing, about smartphone, about online. So what you're going to do for me is smash the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. And what the notification bell does is, notify you anytime I upload a new video. All right, so that is that about this. Guys, I think you see how this application works perfectly, perfectly. So all you have to do is just make some little addition and you are good to go. So how do you edit your text on this Otter application? So all you have to do is click on this pen icon here. Can't edit right now, has changed, please refresh. Okay, all right, so let's refresh. All right, so all you have to do is click on this icon there, then you can edit whatsoever you want to edit and you are good to go. So once you edit that, you click on this mic icon, then I think here, okay, you click on that three dots, then you can export your stuff. Then you can export it as text format or PDF. Okay, that's for pro. You can export as text, then you click on continue, and let's see. Okay. All right, I think I'm just going to copy. All right, so it has been copied. Then wherever you want to paste it, you can go on and paste your text. And most time what I do is maybe I want to answer a question, I paste it on quora.com. All right, so I'm just going to clear this, then you clear the last one here as well, and you are good to go. All right, so that is basically how to turn your audio into text. That's the first way. So moving to the second one, maybe you have the audio already on your phone, or someone send it to you, you want to convert it to a text. Then you should click this cloud icon here, and it's going to, oh, it's 0 minutes to import. It says I've imported too many times. So basically what you can do here is this. Let's say just like this, you have 0 minutes left and you still want to import some kind of audio from your phone. Now this is what you should do. You click and highlight the Otter application, then you click on app info. All right, so you click on storage and cache. Then what you're going to do is click on clear storage. Once you clear storage, though, it's going to clear everything on this Otter application. It's going to clear it, but then everything is going to be refreshed, and once you open it, you are good to go. You don't need to sign up on this application. Okay, I think I signed up. All right, probably I made a video on what's it called, how to get free email for verification. I think the video should be at the top, or at the link to the video should be at the top or at the right. So if you have not watched that video, go and watch it. Then you can get another email to sign up on this otter.com Otter application. Then you are good to go. All right, so that is basically how to use this application, either for you to import or to make your record, voice record, and transcribe it to audio, to text. All right, so if you find value in this video that I've just made, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, and I'm going to the comment section and say thank you, Emmanuel, for this. I really got value. And also, if you have any question for me, don't forget to drop into the comment section, because I'm always available there like 24/7. All right, so until the next time, I'm going to be creating another video for you guys. Stay blessed, and have a happy week ahead of you. Thank you so much, and God bless you.